Okay, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I've been asked to try out these new cleaning wipes from Oxford Products. Okay, so the Oxford Mint cleaning wipes, so they retail at £36.99. You get 80 wipes in a tub along with a microfiber cloth. So what are the benefits of these cleaning wipes? So Oxford claim you can clean your bike without water, no need to rinse off, and you can use these wipes as part of your regular cleaning program. So the wipe allows you to clean, shine, protect, as well as add a water repellent coating in a single operation. Safe to use on all surfaces such as bodywork, rims, paint, interior, so you can use it on your car as well, and exterior plastics. Fairings, windscreens, windshields and metals are also, and it's also compatible with matte paintwork. So again, if we look at the features and benefits, it duplicates pretty much what we've gone through there, but it also says it adds a hydrophobic effect, so basically the water will bead up and roll off, just like you would if you had a wash and wax or just add in a polish. And it also revives dull colours, silicone free, pH neutral, and of course it's mint scented. So what I'll do is I'll pop up on the screen more details on the product, the data sheets from Oxford. I shall put links down in the description below to our storefront and to the cleaning wipes. On our storefront it is a work in progress, and there is all the links to other products that are featured on our channel there as well. So I think what we need to do now is give these a go and see how we get on. Okay, what I'm going to do is just bring you in a little bit closer. I don't know as if the camera's going to bring this up or not, but there's a few little watermarks, cloudy marks on the tank here. So I've not washed the bike. Took it for MOT, about 30-mile round trip. So there's a few bugs and bits and pieces. Hopefully you can see on the lights there as well. So here, so you know, it's from a distance it probably looks absolutely showroom fresh. Yeah, it's, you know, there are a few bits of road grime and bits and pieces on it. You know, it's not filthy by any stretch of the imagination, but yeah, just want to be honest with you really. Yeah, let's just crack open those wipes and see how we go on with them. Looks of reasonable quality. Smells minty as well. Right, so basically what they say is, you know, apply the wipe and then buff with the microfiber afterwards. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in my pocket, so I don't want it to drop on the floor. Right, so the wipes are in a sealed bag, so I think what I need to do is get a pair of scissors. Okay, so what I've done is basically just pulled from the centre of the wipes into that little hole there, so we're good to go. Right, let's start with the tank. So I think I would treat this process the same way as if you was applying wax to your car. Just let it dry and then use your microfiber to buff up. Just lifted these bugs off the front of the headlight very, very easily. Yeah, there's still plenty of moisture still on this wipe. A few bugs on the fender. I think if you're into taking your bike to shows and you want something quick and easy for detailing, you know, if you're riding to an event or something like that, these would be ideal. You can put them in your backpack or top box or something like that, and then you can give your bike a bit of a detailing once you're there. Yep, there's still plenty on here. I should imagine on a very hot day it may not go as far, but today the temperature is around about 18 degrees, so it's not cold and it's not particularly hot either. Once we've finished the process, I'll bring you in closer again. The carbon heel guards and the subframe. It's quite surprising how far you can go with one of these. I think if your bike is very dirty, I would always recommend you rinse off, just go through your normal washing program with that. Right, I'll just bring you in a little bit closer again so you can see, hopefully you can see the application. You can see like the coating it's left on there, so what we need to do now is obviously buff that with the microfiber. Don't know if you can see it that well on the front here. See on the fender. So yeah, it's definitely left like a nice film, and what I would definitely do is do the mirrors, do your levers, or do everything basically. Everything apart from the rotors. Right, let's crack on. Right, let's start and buff up with the microfiber. I'm not going to do the whole bike in this particular video. It will take forever and a day, but hopefully it will give you an idea. Yeah, just doing these carbon bits here, they've come up lovely, really nice. Yeah, it's effortless to buff up as well. Black is one of those colours, when it's clean there is nothing better. Yeah, that tank looks fantastic. I'll bring the camera in a moment. Carry on just buffing up the other bits that I've done. Like I say, for full transparency, Oxford have asked me to try this product, and I will be honest with you, you know, if I hadn't had experiences with Oxford products before, I wouldn't be using it on my Triumph. This is my pride and joy. Right, I think that will do for this first little application. So what I'll do is I'll bring the camera in, and then hopefully you can see the difference on the tank and the body panels that I've done. Right, there we go. Now again, I appreciate it might be difficult to see, but there's loads of little, I think it's when I filled up with fuel, you know how sometimes you get those little spots that fly up and spit up and everything. That just looks like glass now. Fantastic. And you know, and as you've seen, it's effortless. It really is effortless. Same with the front here as well. Superb. And the lights, that was all, there's quite a few bugs and bits and pieces on there, all gone. Yeah, no insects there at all. Front fender, I mean, you can see that, look at that reflection there. And you know, it's not a particularly sunny day today either, it's quite overcast. heel guards, my carbon fibre rear panels. Yeah, absolutely superb. Every time I get this bike out, I think, oh, I don't use it enough, well, maybe I should sell it. And then I take it for an MOT, go for a little ride, give it a clean, and I'll just think, wow, maybe not. So yeah, there we go. So I am very, very impressed with that Oxford cleaning wipes. So personally, like I say, I think I would clean your bike in the normal way, you know, with soapy water, hot soapy water and bits and pieces, especially if it's very, very, very grubby. You know, if like this time of the year and you just want to remove bugs and general road grime and bits and pieces and things like that, and you don't want to go to the hassle of a full wash and wax and bits and pieces, then the cleaning wipes is definitely the way to go. Plus, you know, if you're, you know, like I said earlier, if you're riding to a show and you want to detail your bike when you get there, perfect product for that little issue. You know, you can spiv your bike up as it was when you're there, and it's showroom fresh when it's all there on the show field. Right, so there we go. That's the Oxford Products Mint cleaning wipes. Yeah, first impressions, superb. And like I say, if it was something that I wasn't particularly happy with or anything like that, you know, I promise you I would say so. And you know, well, I most certainly wouldn't use it on my bike. You know, it's something that I've used for many, many, many years, Oxford products. For all the years I've been riding, which goes back to the mid-90s, so a fair old while. So yeah, so as always, I shall put links down in the description below if these are of interest. Please do, you know, go and check them out, and also, you know, a link to our storefront with all the other bits and pieces that are featured on our channel. So please do comment in the comment section below. I'll be very, very grateful for a like and a subscribe. Also, I do hope this little video has been of interest and of use to you, and I hope you can join me again in future videos. Thanks again for watching. Cheerio.